My name is Ling Zhao. Today we study the course calculus and vectors. The topic is inscribe a rectangle in semicircle. This is application of derivative. Is a rectangle is to be inscribed in a semicircle with a radius 4, with one side on the semicircle's diameter. What is the largest area in the rectangle can have? Next, I will explain in detail. Like the graph show that, okay? I set up the coordinate system like that. And in the middle, x equals 4. And at the left side and right side of x equals 4 is symmetry, right? And the central point is 4, 0. And the arrow is 4. So the equation of circle is x minus 4 squared plus y squared equals 16. And because it's a half circle, and then above of x-axis, so y more than and equal 0. Then we get the 4 end point for the rectangle. It said that A is x0 because the diameter in the x-axis, right? And then the B is A minus x0. Okay, because diameter is 8, right? And C is x and square root of 16 minus the perfect square of x minus 4. And the D is A minus 2x. And the y value is D, right? 16 minus perfect square of x minus 4. That is 4 end point. And then the area of rectangle ABCD just use length times width. Okay, set up the equation, the area of ABCD, the rectangle is S equal the length times width. The length is A minus 2x times width. Width is 16 minus perfect square of x minus 4. We want to find the maximum area, so we can do the derivative. At first, find the dx over dx. So use product, right? The first factor for derivative is -2, and copy the second function, square root of 16 minus perfect square x minus 4, plus keep the first function original, find the derivative for the radical. So we can get the 2 times radical. And then the numerator is -2x minus 4. Okay, to find the perfect square x minus 4 in the front negative, so it's a numerator -2 times x minus 4. And simplify that, the ts over tx. So -2 times 16 minus x minus 4 square. Second term become 2x minus 4 square, the square root equals 16 minus x minus 4 square maximum area. So we can set the derivative ds and dx equals 0. So the right side equals 0. Times radical 16 minus x minus 4 square plus 2 times x minus 4 square over 16 minus x minus 4 square equals 0, right? And move term, you get 16 minus p square x minus 4 square equal x minus 4 square over 16 minus x minus 4 square. Then both sides times radical, and then simplify. We get 16 minus x square minus 4 equal x minus 4 square. Okay, then x minus 4 square equals 16 over 2. Then both sides radical is x1 equal 4 plus square root of 8, about 6.83. x2 is 4 minus square root of 8, about 1.17. Actually, the point A, the x is 1.17. The B is 6.83. Okay, and we calculate the value y when x equal 1.17. Put in the value for y is square root of 16 minus x minus 4 square, and put the 1.17 in. Answer is about 2.83. Okay, then we get the 4 point. Point A is 1.170, and the point B is 6.830. The point C is 1.17. This x value we send it A point, the point A. And the value for y is 2.83. Okay. And the last one, the point D is 6.83. The value we send with B, and the y value 2.83. The y value like send with C, point C. Then we know the length of the rectangle is arrow. It's a minus 2x is equal a minus 2 times 1.17 is about 5.66. And the width of rectangle is 2.83. Right, the area of rectangle is width times length is 5.66 times width is 2.83. So this almost is 16.01. It's almost 16. Okay. It is the maximum error, maximum value. And next, I will use the dynamic video to show the change or the area with the change, the four and point A, B, C, D. Thank you for your watching. Please subscribe my channel. Decimal to show the dynamic change for the area of rectangle. It inscribed in the semicircle. Okay. And this one is semicircle. Okay, above of x-axis. We know the central point is 4, 0. Here, the radius is 4. Okay. Then we changed to n in the rectangle. And inside the red one to show this the rectangle area. Here, try to change the 4 point. Here, the point A, x equal to 0.504. Now here, the x equal 1.581. The point A is 1.581, 0, and the B is 6.4190, and C is 1.581, 3.185. D is 6.419 and 3.185. To change. And then is the maximum area of rectangle A, B, C, D. And we know that point A is 1.170, point B is 6.830, point C is 1.17 and 2.82, point D is 6.83, 2.82. And we know that the length. This length is double of the width. The width is 2.82, and the length is 5.66 because use a minus 2x. That is the maximum area. And we put together, also compare the different area. Okay, this is the maximum one. And this one is more than the maximum, right?